General Philip Varius Vanda's exit also fits into pattern of strategic security reshuffles. In recent months, Mnangagwa replaced long service police commissioner General Godwin Matanga with Stephen Mutamba and appointed Fortin Mangwanyatu, head of the Central Intelligence Organization CIO, replacing Isaac Moi. These moves are widely interpreted as part of Mnangagwa's effort to peg the security sector of figures allied with Chiwenga. Salabina mashoko buda pankwa ine ajanso buda pachena zichinze aiwa Philip Valerius Vanda si retirement from the security forces pangwa ine zvanso buda pachena kuti he might be elevated akune zvimatongero nyika robo subscribe or like on the bell kuti chibira pana pamzimu aine tambira achiti. Vanda's exit also fits into pattern of strategic security reshuffle within ZANU-PF. Insiders suggest that Sivanda could be rewarded with a senior cabinet or party post, possibly in the Politburo or as a minister, as Mnangagwa seeks to consolidate influence while keeping the military close but contained. Mnangagwa wants Sivanda near enough to guarantee loyalty, but not too powerful to become his own center of gravity, said one party insider. Since assuming command in 2017, Sivanda has been viewed as a moderating figure who helped stabilize the army after the coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. Yet, his increasing proximity to Mnangagwa's political machinery highlights how the boundary between military discipline and political loyalty continues to blur under the Second Republic. As the 2028 succession race gathers pace, General Philip Valerius Vanda's next move will be pivotal, whether as a statesman, strategist, or a political player. His transition from soldier to politician could redefine the mixed matrix of power in Zimbabwe, marking the moment when Mnangagwa's succession chessboard truly comes into play. Ndoma shwara kuda pangwa ino vanhu vanyasa kuona kuti aiwa apa zvaakuitika apa tinge takuona logic dzacho. Comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.